It's easy to acknowledge that the galaxy, the universe, outer space, it's so vast beyond what we can see or comprehend, with billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone. And yet, when it comes to our own bodies, our own brains, our own nervous systems, our own internal galaxy, we too often convince ourselves to believe we should be able to comprehend everything about how they work, because maybe then we'd be able to control it all. Yet our brains have significantly more connections than the galaxy. There are trillions of connections in our brains, and they don't stay static. They adapt, they change. They're designed to evolve. So rather than control or pretend that we fully comprehend the complexity of our internal worlds, our internal systems, we can actually best work with them by honoring their vastness and their brilliance. Like the ever-evolving waves of the ocean, we can observe the ebb and the flow. We can tend to what we observe with intention by spending time with our inside landscape. We can become more aware of the ways that our system signals to us, communicates with us through our sensations, our postures, the way we're carrying ourselves, our perceptions, our thoughts, our emotions. This more embodied way of being gives us more rich data and more power to experience life and relationships in the way we actually desire to. We don't have to control or even fully comprehend the vast complexity of all of it in order to tap into the wealth of knowledge that it has in store for us, to support us, to help us, to guide us, to help us continue to grow, to heal, and to evolve, to become more embodied, to practice what it is to experience our bodies in a different way, our internal systems in a different way. It's a different way of being. It's a different approach than what most of us are used to. But the difference that it makes is so rich, so significant, so powerful and empowering. Maybe it's worth a try. What do you think? I had some hesitancy when I first was introduced to more somatic and internal awareness, but I have seen it help to shift relationships, thoughts, feelings, help break patterns that have kept people stuck. And so if there's a part of you that is considering exploring more on how to engage with the internal system more often, perhaps this message came at the right time. Engaging with our internal systems, a different approach that makes a big difference.